When you are trading, it's very important to keep track of your break-even price. The break-even price displays your average buy price over multiple buys. If you don't select the start or end date, all your trades are included in the break-even calculation, so make sure to select a period if you want to see how a recent trade session is doing and to exclude the old trades. After adjusting the period, the break-even price will change and you see how many trades are included here. Down here you can see your realized profit, which means how much profit or loss you currently have based on your average buy price and your average sell price. Unrealized profit will indicate how much profit you can still make with the coins you have left, if you sell at the current price. Total profit will show you how much total profit you've made, including the realized and unrealized profit. Down here you can see how much you have invested in the trading session. It also shows you how much of your initial investment is recovered and how much of your investment is still in the trade.